Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Infiniti, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Infiniti Q60. I'm just doing a oil change service on this, and you can see oil's pretty dirty. Now you're gonna remove a couple bolts for the cover, and then you can get to the drain bolt right here. I'm gonna loosen out the filter. I already loosened it. Just let it drain out. It's pretty dirty. There we go. Let it drain out. Now everything's completely drained out for the new filter. I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Wipe the spot right here, and then put the new one in. Just hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. For the drain bolt, finger tighten. So this is tight, just snug it a little bit. That's it. And then wipe the spot, put the cover back. For the oil grade, it doesn't show on the oil cap here, but it does show on the decal here. You can see 020, and then I have 020 here. I'm putting in synthetic, so this one takes 5.5. I'm gonna put in 5.5 and then check. I put in 5.5 quart already. Now I'm gonna check the dipstick. Right there, you can see. Let me focus the camera. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, a little bit on over the high mark, but the oil filter is gonna take it down to the high mark. So this is perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil light. So right now I have the key on. You're gonna go through your app garage right there. And you're gonna go to maintenance. Go to maintenance again. Go to engine. And then click engine oil. For this one, it's 5,000 miles. You can set the date. So today is November 21st. I'm gonna put it next 3 months. So 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. 3 months from now. So it's gonna be 2014. Say okay. Press reset. There you go. You can see it reset itself. Put reminder check on. When it hits 5,000 miles, you're gonna have the oil change service light due on the dash. I'm gonna press back. There you go. You can see you can set your oil filter, but for this one I don't have to set it. I only need to set one setting only, because I don't want to set all of them and then I just keep resetting them all. Now you can, you know, set your battery, set your brake fluid, coolant, transmission, whatever you need. I just need to set the engine oil, but that's it. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and that's it. That's how you reset the oil light for the Infiniti Q60. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Peace.